Good day and hi everyone, my name is Siti Nurbaya Vidyausman. I am from K05. Let me present to you the element astatine.
So, for today's discussion, I'm going to talk about a few details of element astatine, which includes the proton number and electronic configuration of astatine, the position in periodic table, the comparison size of astatine, the stable ion formed by astatine, the comparison radius of astatine, and when sulfur reacts with oxygen. So, for the first one, which is proton number and electronic configuration of astatine, the proton number of astatine is 85, and the electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d10, 4s2, 4p6, 4d10, 5s2, 5p6, 4f14, 5d10, 6s2, and 6p5. Next, the position in periodic table. So, since electronic configuration of astatine is as follows, so we can find its period, group, and block. Therefore, the period for astatine is 6, the group is 17, and the block is p. To let you know, astatine is located at period 6 and group 17 in the periodic table. We can conclude astatine is an element that have properties of both metals and nonmetals that are often referred to as metallites, or referred as semi-metals. These elements are poor conductors of electricity. So let's take a look at the comparisons between astatine and its other elements of the same period. Astatine are smaller in size than its other elements of the same period, which includes the elements from group 1 until group 16, but larger in size compared to elements in group 18. For explanation on its strengths, across the period, the atomic radius of elements decrease, but why? So, across the period, proton number increased from Cs, which is calcium, to astatine, At. This causes effective nuclear charge, Zef, to also increase. Thus, attraction between valence electron and nucleus also increase. Therefore, the atomic size decreases from Cs, calcium, to astatine, At. Moving on to the next point, the stable ion formed by astatine is At-, which is anion. This is because astatine accepts 1 electrons to achieve octet electronic configuration. Therefore, for the comparisons between radius of astatine with its stable ion, At- is formed when astatine accepts 1 electron. This causes the electron-electron repulsions in At- to increase, thus the attraction between nucleus and its valence electron becomes weaker. Therefore, the size of At- is bigger than its neutral atom, which is At. Last but not least, let's take a look when sulfur reacts with oxygen to form oxides. So, for the equation for formation of sulfur trioxides, 2 mol of S reacts with 3 mol of O2 will be forming the product of 2 mol of SO3. Then, the equation for reaction between sulfur trioxide with water, 1 mol of SO3 reacts with 1 mol of H2O will be forming the product of 1 mol of H2SO4. Lastly, acid-base character of the oxide formed by sulfur includes the chemical properties, which will be acidic oxide, the molecular structure, which is molecular covalent compounds, and melting point that is relatively low. Thank you for listening. That's all from me.